Welcome. In front of me is the HONOR X8c, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. To get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen. Make sure you do it from the top right side, and here you'll find a bunch of different toggles, which one of them will be a screen recorder. For me it is visible right here, but this is extendable list, as you can see. Anyway, once you see it, you can quickly tap on it. First time around, if you're doing this first time, you will get this pop-up, and here just select that that the device has access to record audio, and you can select it either only using the app or all the time. Now you can't select don't allow, I think, as that might prevent the application from actually working. Screen recording, so okay, cool, we're gonna select okay, I'm gonna mute the mic. And whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. So if you open up any kind of application, for the most part, they will all be recorded. And once you're done, you can click right here where the timer is. This will automatically save the recording. And you can find that recording in your Photos application. And you can see I think it's this one right over here, so it is going to be visible under the Photos tab somewhere, and it looks like Photos here sorts it out into an album called Screenshots, which you can see right here, and that's where you can find it. You also might have your photos look a little bit different with the albums somewhere at the bottom, and obviously if you go there you will find an album called Screenshots, in which you will find screenshots and also screen recordings. But right now, with this limited amount of content that I have right here, photos and videos, it's just kind of giving me all the albums right here, so I can choose from them manually. But anyway, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.